Rescue Bufy.
I'm so tired. Let's take a rest. Where's Buffy? He was right here. Oh yeah, where did he go? What if Buffy is kidnapped, Tommy? Kidnapped? We have to save him. Okay. What do we do now? Oh. We need to have superpower to help Buffy. I will be captain. Whoa. And I'll be Spider-Man. Wow. Let's go.
Where's Bufy?
You guys go first. Leave it to me.
Oh.
Hey, monster! Come here to me. See how strong I am? Huh? What just happened?
Oh no! The robots are destroying the city.
Oh no!
What should we do? Let me see. Oh, what are you doing?
The superhero baby.
Mom, why is your belly so big?
That's because I'm having your baby sister.
Really? I'm having a sister? I wonder what she would be like. What's the matter, Mom?
The baby is kicking me.
She must be very strong. What if she is a superhero?
Oh, perhaps she is.
Then she would possibly be Supergirl. Hi, I'm Tommy, your brother. Wow. I'll fly with you. Hey, stop kicking Mom.
Ow. Thank you, Tommy.
Wow.
Time to eat honey.
Are you eating all this food, Mom?
That's right, dear. Me and your sister.
he must be Hulk then.
Honey, I think I'm about to give birth.
Oh no, baby Hulk is messing inside Mom's belly. Wow. She's not a superhero.
No, Tommy, this is Catty, your sister.
Hi, Catty. I'm Tommy. Nice to meet you.
Hope Elephy. What a heavy box! How could Catty move it?
Tommy, help me move this box to over there.
Okay.
Oh, both of them can't do it.
Do you need a hand? Yeah. Can you help us with this box?
How can the kids move the box?
Oh. Move aside, guys. Leave it to me.
Wow, Elephy, you're so strong.
Of course. That's because I eat a lot. Oh.
Elephy is as strong as Hulk.
You're right. You're right.
Oh no! The aliens are invading the Earth!
Stop!
Oh no, Elephy is in danger.
Wow! Elephy turned into the Green Giant!
Awesome! Elephy, you're so good.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Hope Elephy is so good! Oh, Elephy is strong but so clumsy, right?